Are you a dedicated PS5 gamer looking to elevate your gaming experience to new heights? If so, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving into the world of PS5 gaming and exploring the best VPN for your PS5. If you want to enhance your gaming experience, safeguard your data, and access games, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to check the links below for special offers. Let's get started. First things first, why would you want a VPN for PS5? So a VPN is like a secret tunnel between your device and the internet, making sure your data stays safe from any sneaky threats and keeping your online stuff private. When it comes to PS5 gaming, a VPN can offer numerous advantages, such as changing server locations, reducing latency and lag for smoother gameplay, and protecting your personal information from cyber attacks. So which VPN is the best fit for your PS5? After extensive testing and research, we found that ExpressVPN is the top choice. Here's why. ExpressVPN is all about turbocharged speeds, giving you a gaming experience that is smooth as butter, with hardly any lag. So whether you're blasting through action-packed shooters or roaming vast open-world adventures, ExpressVPN keeps you right in the heart of the game. With a vast network of servers in 94 countries, ExpressVPN allows you to connect to gaming servers worldwide, change your location so you can play with your friends from anywhere, and grab game releases early. ExpressVPN is super versatile, not just for your PS5, but also for other gadgets like PCs, smartphones, and routers. This means you can safeguard your whole gaming network from those pesky cyber threats. And the best part? You can protect multiple devices all at once with ExpressVPN, without slowing down your gaming performance. How cool is that? Another remarkable feature of ExpressVPN is its 24/7 customer support. Should you encounter any issues or have questions about using the VPN on your PS5 or any other device, their expert team is always ready to assist you. And don't forget about ExpressVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free and see how it elevates your gaming sessions. To recap, if you're looking for the best VPN for your PS5 gaming adventures, ExpressVPN is the way to go. With its top-notch speed, extensive server network, and excellent customer support, it's a gaming companion you won't want to miss. So head over to the links in the description to check out exclusive offers and get started with ExpressVPN today. Elevate your gaming experience, safeguard your data, and explore a world of gaming possibilities with ExpressVPN on your side. That's all for today, gamers. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech and gaming content. Until next time, happy gaming.